Hey everyone, this is Yousif from Crafting Clouds. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another showcase where I solved the problem for another business owner that I work with, where they were basically using a platform called CompanyCam, which they absolutely loved, but they were looking to replace with Method CRM because they wanted Method CRM for a variety of other reasons, and they wanted to remove or the number of apps that they were using for their team, which is always a great idea. You know, the less number of apps and the more you can do within one platform, the more organized, the more efficient your company runs. So I completely agree with them. Shout out to Jeremy, by the way, the owner of White River Blasters. We're in his account right now. He gave me permission to go ahead and showcase solution. Shout out to Jeremy. I appreciate it, Jeremy, for letting me showcase this to all of my viewers. But what Jeremy basically wanted was it's important for his business to be able to go ahead and take pictures on site and then add notes. So their service team like to do that every single day. It provides a lot of context to exactly what they need to do. And basically what happened is they were using a platform called CompanyCam, which does this job very, very well. Now, when he came to me and he was looking to have this feature also available in Method CRM, it was not available for him out of the box, but I was able to configure a solution that now completely replaces CompanyCam. And what I did is I basically beefed up the attachments widget that is given to you in Method. So let me showcase this for you. And it wasn't that long for me to do. So right now, we're in a custom app that he wanted called job form. Okay, and I went ahead and I created a job form. And essentially, this is all the custom information that he wanted to have tracked for his service guys to work on. So they use this job form to basically go ahead and perform. It's basically a work order, essentially. And they also need to upload images to their job form. So what we did is we allowed right now out of the box, when you upload an image, all you can do is upload it. If you want to view it, you have to click the link and then it shows up in a separate tab. But there's really no way for me to go ahead and add notes to this, which was a key issue that he wanted to have solved in Method. So what we did is we actually created an automation that will automatically, when you click the save button, it looks at what has been attached and it renders the images in a separate app, which will allow you to then add notes to each image. So if we scroll to the top, you'll see now there's this images button at the very top right, which is looking at the attachments that are connected to this job form. And it's basically, when you expand it, it's displaying all these images, okay? Which is the first thing that he wanted. Right now, you don't see this in the attachments widget. You can't see a thumbnail of the image or anything like that. So you really don't know until you click the link, right? So that was the first problem that was solved. Now, the second problem that was solved is now that they're able to see the image, they can click on the image that they uploaded and add notes, okay? So right away, you could see that you can add a note, you can hit save and back, and the note is listed for you here, okay? This was something that was done fairly quickly for him, and it completely eliminated the CompanyCam app that he was currently using for his team, which allowed him now to have his service team fully onboarded onto Method CRM and not have to worry about working across apps, which is awesome. So thank you, Jeremy, for letting me showcase the solution. If you guys are interested in me building something similar for you for your company, feel free to reach out to me down in my description below.